Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Dance Fitsugar. I'm your host, Poofy. I'm so excited to bring you a cardio hip hop dance workout. Now this workout's gonna be focused on the legs, which means it's gonna be a twerk, yeah, hey. And to help me do that, I got my girls with me. So say what's up to Stephanie.
Hey, hey.
And say hello to Paris.
What's up, guys?
Now if you're ready to dance with me, let me see you pop. Hey. All right, Dance Fitsugar, this is the warm up. Step it side to side with me. We got you today. On modifications, check out Paris or Stephanie. If you're going full out, step it out. Head up, center, drop. Nice and easy, soften into the knees. Take your head to your ear. Looking good, team. All right, here we go. Out of bounce, side to side. Looks still good. Hey.
Okay.
Hey,
we're swagging it out.
Pull that arm up. What? Get a little lower, and especially this part, you're about to get low. Here we go. Squat it out. Drop it down and up. I told you this is gonna be a leg-focused workout, a twerk out, if you will. You got 4 more. Nice, 3. This is 2. And 1. Stay down. Pulse. Okay. Are we feeling it? Are we feeling it? Let's go. Last 4. Last 3. And 2. And 1. Twerk that leg in. All right. You know what I want? Some speed. Give it to me. Hey. Nice. Let's go. Stand up, knee to the chest, hands up. Work. 4, 3, 2, let's switch. And nice. Just step on that foot, kick the booty back. Open up, breathe. How we doing, team?
Oh,
woo, girl, we getting through. That's what I like to do. Let's go, round 2, you know what to do. Here, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look, up, down, down. Hit that center too. I got excited there. Take it to the side. Yes. Now give me that bounce. Put your soul into it. Let that chest lean back.
Do a little hip
bend.
hop too.
There we go. Add those arms. Yes. Our favorite part coming out. Let's squat it out. Drop it down. Let those heels down. Abs are tight. Get it right. Yes. 4. You got 3. Last 2. And 1. Drop it down. You can move to side to side. Make this feel good. Add those arms, but keep it low to the ground. Last 4. You got 3. And 2. 1. Hands down. Slow. Bring it in. Bring it in. Bring it in. Speed it up. Let's go. Make it bounce. Make it bounce. Yeah. Let's get it. Stand up. Knees in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last time. Last set right here. Good. Kick that booty back. Bring it out. Hey. Yes, team. Okay. Give me a little more bounce here. Good. 4. You have 3. 2. Give me a pose. 1 and pose. All right, Dance Fitsugar. We got some old school moves for you. We got some break dancing. I'm excited to show you this one. Feet wide. X marks the spot. We're gonna cross this way. Step and cross. Cross those hands. Uncross. Yes. Cross coordination is good for the mind and body. Yes. Let's add some speed. Let's get it. Come on. A little jump into it. When you start to feel good, really step outside that plane. Oh, there we go. Nice. Here we go. Push it to this side. Push. 2. Once that feels good, you know what I want, right? Energy, spice. Hey. Hey. Nice. We're gonna slide this way. Slide. The hands, if they're confusing, keep them right here. And when it starts to feel good, let them go. Yes. 4, 3. We got a roll and hit coming your way. Roll right in front of you. Roll and hit. Yes. Now again, once it starts to feel good, give me that energy. 3, good. 2. Now step, touch, breathe. Nice job, team. You doing good? What about you, ladies?
Doing amazing.
All right. Let's take it from the top. Lots of energy this time. Here we go. Step wide and cross. Tap. Okay. We dancing now. I see you. Get it. 4. Last 3. We're gonna push it out. 2 and 1. Push it this side. Push. Hey. Good. 4 more. Let's get 4. 3, 2. Michael slide. Now, if you're fans of Michael Jackson, remember the time. This is where that move is from.
Hey.
Yes.
I love this move.
Me too. One of my favorites. Now, roll and hit. Come on, roll. Hey. Give it to me. Yes. Let the hair fly. Good. 4 more. 4. Pass. 3, 2, 1. Breathe. All right, team. I know you got this. We got your back. So we're gonna put everything together. 1 and 1. You ready? 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it. 1. push. Michael slide coming your way. Slide up. Roll it, hit. Get your pose coming up, right? Pose! Yes. All right, dancers, I got some combos for you here. I'm really excited to show you this. I'll show you what it looks like. Crisscross, let's go. Crisscross, clap, slap, twerk. Twerk, let's get it. We got lots of practice with this one. Make it spicy for me. Come on, get it. Ah! Yes! Again. Now check out Paris if you need any modification. She's not jumping, but she's still making it look good. She's still having fun. That's all we care about. Let's go. Pull those arms up to the side. Pull it twice. Now pull back twice. Do it again. Let's get it. Ah! Other side, come on. Pull it up. Rah. Come on, how you doing, girls? Good. Let's go. Now push. Push, baby. 2 pushes. Stand together. 2 knee pokes. This is called a smurda. Smurda. Anything can happen with your hand. You can make it you. Smile at him. Ah. Yes. Work. Give me that smile at home. Now we're gonna swoop twice. Now stir it up. What sauce you got? Come on, what sauce you got, Paris?
I got all the sauce. All the
Steph,
sauce.
what you got?
Keeping it
Other
saucy.
side. Keeping it saucy, yes. Now, just side taps right here. Breathe. Good. If you want a little more work, you can dip under. Hey, here it comes in 4. In 3. We got that crisscross tap coming your way. You ready? One of each. It goes. Hey, twerk.
I love
Twerk.
this dance.
Hey, now it's going down. It's going down. You ready to pull it up?
Oh.
Pull twice. Other side. Hey. Pull it back. Now push. Smurda, push. Hey, right and left. Let's go. You ready for that swoop? Coming your way. Swoop on him. Stir it up. Last time, swoop. Side tap it out. Y'all, you look so good. How you feeling at home? I love it. I love it. Dip it low. You got a pose coming your way. Are you ready, team? Let's see if we can drop it low. 3, 2, 1. Yes. All right, Dance Fitsugar. This is gonna be our last cardio dance track. It's got some lyrics. Y'all excited?
Oh, yeah.
All right. You wanna imagine your best friend being beside you, giving him a hug, and then get a little bobblehead. Get it? 3, 2, 1. Ha! Hey, let's go! Yes. Nice. 2 pulls. 1, 2, 2 back. 3 step. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now 2 bounces. Good. Repeat that same thing. Tap. 2 pulls. 1, 2, 2 back. 3 steps. No competition. It's all you, boo. Now 2 pulls. Good. Now step tap again from the top. Last time. Now pull. Yes. Okay, team. Now 3 step tap. 2 bounces. Go. Yes. Now top from top. Swoop. Good. 2 pulls. Pull. Pull back. 3 step tap. Make this feel good for you. Now bounce. Y'all ready? Look out to the crowd. Pop. Pop. Protect your energy. Bring those knees in. We're gonna repeat everything from the top. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Lots of energy. 3 times. Make it your best yet. Ready? Hug your friend. Get it.
Hey.
Good.
Hey.
Now pull up. Hey. Ah, pull up to the seam. Nice. 3 steps. Looking good back there, Steph.
Hey.
Good. My team knows what they're doing. I see you, Paris. One more time, right again. Hug it out.
You see this hair bouncing behind you?
Pull up. And again, if you don't have any hair, you can buy some on Amazon. Join the curly crew. Here's our last time, team. Hug it out. Head. It's you versus you. We got you. We're your backup crew today. 3 step tap. Ain't no competition with you. You ready? Our pose is coming your way. Amazing job, Dance Fitsugar. Cool down time, well deserved. Here we go. Take a big breath in. And let it go. For the body. Let's do one for the mind. Let it go. Let's do this one for the soul. Big inhale, hold it up at the top. Let it go. Amazing job. Keep those feet turned out. Reach for the moon. This is what I call moon squats. We're gonna bring the moon in towards us, drop it down to the ground. curve your spine, give it a little wiggle and shake. Nice job. Take it back up. And let's do it again. This time, cross the other hand right in front. Oh, I love this for my low back. One of my favorite things to do in the morning. Let's go ahead and do one more. Big inhale. And exhale, drop it down, bringing that move right to the center. Good. And roll it back up. Go ahead and grab your tricep, grabbing that elbow, pulling it towards the middle of your back, maybe giving your hips a little side rock. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth, letting go of something that doesn't serve you if you haven't already done so. Good, give yourself a hug and drop that shoulder away from the ear. I have to thank my team, Paris and Stephanie, they've been amazing.
Thanks, Poofy.
You guys are awesome. Let's go ahead and switch to that other side. How are y'all feeling? Feel good.
Amazing.
I love that. How are y'all feeling at home? Love to hear that. Give yourself a big hug. Drop your shoulder down away from your ear. Nice work, team. All right, go ahead. Feet together. Using this arm for balance if you'd like, you can grab the back of your ankle and pull your leg down towards the floor. Remember, don't stick that back out. We're done with twerking, so we're getting to this stretch. All right, go ahead and bring that knee into the chest. Go ahead and roll out your ankle. Squeeze those out for some balance. Bend that leg. Spread your toes in your shoes if you need some extra help. Go ahead and roll it the other way. Big breath in. Big breath out. Spread them toes. Go ahead and do the other side. Do what you gotta do. This is your cool down. We want this to make it feel good for you. It's all about you, boo-boo. All right, go ahead and bring that knee into the chest. Roll out your ankle one direction. 3.
My ankle's crunching.
Oh, I love to hear that. Snap, crackle, pop in. Let's go the other way. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Now, let's take one foot in front of the other. Bend your knee. Try to reach down towards your toe. Ooh, chihuahua.
Yes.
Oh, that's my
Feel
hamstring for
that.
saying thank you for stretching me.
Right,
Yes.
I love this one.
All right, slowly pull up. Let's go one more time to the other side. Big breath in. Big breath out. And go ahead and roll it on up. Let's take one more breath for the body, mind, and soul here. As you exhale, seal it into your heart, and I bow in honor of my gratitude for your time, your energy, and your sweat. Thank you to my team. Thank you to you at home. Thank you for watching Dance Fitsugar. We can't wait to move with you next time. Peace out.